राजस्थान रॉयल्ससाठी या हंगामात मुंबईचं ब्रेबॉर्न स्टेडियम हे त्यांचं घरचं मैदान आहे आणि जेव्हा केव्हा मुंबईत राजस्थान रॉयल्सची टीम असते चांगलीच एन्जॉय करते ही टीम असं म्हणावं लागेल मैदानावर आणि मैदानाबाहेरही। आणि काय धमाल या टीमने काल केली आहे ते आपण बघूया।
Okay, so we're going to have, I want to ask you a few questions about the team now, okay? In your team, in your opinion, other than yourself, okay, who's the hottest player?
Well, it depends who Jimmy Faulkner thinks he is, but no one else really thinks that.
Who is the player who clicks the most selfies?
Ankit Sharma.
Okay. Who is the player who eats the most?
Myself.
What do you eat?
Normal. Normal things.
Yes, but your ball doesn't stay. It doesn't stay in the stadium. It's always out of the stadium only.
Practice now.
But how are you so shy over here when you're whacking bowlers out of the stadium in this? It's okay, he's shy. It's okay. Tell us what do we? Who is the most fashionable player in this thing? In the whole team? Yeah.
I think it's myself.
Okay, I'm going to ask you. Who is the drama queen of the team?
Well, he's our wicket keeper. Yaki. He's not here right now, but he's the one. Yeah.
Why?
Well, you can always see him just jumping here and there. That's one of the reasons why he comes.
Okay, who's the most energetic player? Okay. Anyways, huge round of applause for the entire Rajasthan Royals team.
सुलक्षणा नाईक आपल्या गेस्ट आपल्याबरोबर होत्या। सनरायझर्स हैदराबाद त्यांच्यासाठी डार्क हॉर्स टीम आहे आणि आताही ती चांगली कामगिरी करेल असं आज पुन्हा त्यांनी आपल्याला सांगितलंय। असं सुलक्षणा खूप खूप धन्यवाद आज कार्यक्रमात सहभागी झालीस आणि आमच्याशी गप्पा मारल्यास याबद्दल। कार्यक्रमात इथेच थांबतोय पण तुम्ही पाहत रहा जय महाराष्ट्र थेट अचूक बिनधास्त।